Hello everyone, welcome back to my crochet channel. In today's video, we'll make a small and cute crochet piece, perfect for a keychain or a lovely handmade gift. This project is beginner friendly and works up quickly. Please prepare yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch until the end. Your support motivates us to create more videos. Let's get started. For round 1, start with a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. Pull the ring tight to close it nicely. Take your time here, a clean center will make your finished piece look much more professional. Next to round 2, make 6 increases, placing 2 single crochets in each stitch. This gives you a total of 12 stitches. Tip: always count your stitches carefully to keep the shape even. You're doing great so far. For round 3, join the 2 pieces together and crochet 24 single crochets evenly around. Make sure both layers are aligned before you start. This step is important for symmetry, so go slowly and enjoy the process. Moving on to round 4, crochet 24 single crochets around. Keep your tension relaxed and consistent for smooth, beautiful stitches. Next, round 6, crochet 4 single crochets, then 2 decreases, followed by 8 single crochets, 2 more decreases, and finish with 4 single crochets. This round helps shape the piece, so stitch slowly and carefully. You're doing amazing. For round 7, crochet 20 single crochets around. Tip: if needed, use a stitch marker to mark the first stitch. Little tools like this really help keep your work neat. Moving to round 8, crochet 3 single crochets, then 2 decreases, 6 single crochets, 2 decreases, and finish with 3 single crochets. Stay focused, you're getting very close to finishing. For round 9, work 2 single crochets, 2 decreases, 4 single crochets, 2 decreases, and 2 single crochets. Take a moment to check your stitch count before moving on. Finally, round 10, make 6 decreases to close the piece. Pull the yarn tight, fasten off, and weave in the ends neatly. And just like that, your crochet piece is complete. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel proud of what you've made. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Watching until the end and supporting the video really motivates us to keep creating more crochet tutorials for you. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!